doing great. I hope you all are doing good. So welcome back to my channel. Those who are watching for the first time, do subscribe to my channel. There are very good updates coming up every day. And without wasting any time, let's begin the video. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you all two important points. The first one is, why did British Council sell its business of IELTS to IDP? And the second point is, I'll be helping you all to book a slot for IELTS IDP. So why IDP acquired the business of IELTS from British Council is, British Council went into a lot of loss because of the COVID pandemic and is unable to come back to the normal situation. So it has sold the complete business to the IDP at an amount of 130 million pounds, and I hope after this they can recover from this. And the date from which IDP is going to conduct the complete tests is 25th of July. So from 25th of July you will be able to completely book all of the exams. So the CEO of British Council, Kate Evert-Biggs, has confirmed this, and here is the news. You can go through the article. So now I'm going to explain you how you can book the IDP IELTS test slot. So in order to book the IELTS IDP test, you need to type in Google search IELTS IDP and open the first link that you find. So here the test format is either computer delivered or paper based, or IELTS or life skills. So I'm selecting computer delivered, and then I'm selecting the academic test. You can also select general training if it's your preference. And here is the city I'm selecting. And now I'm clicking on book now. So the date I need to pick for which I want to take the test, and the time slot will be shown here. So whatever is shown in red is full already. So the green is availability. And now you need to read all the terms and conditions carefully before booking the test. Now click on accept. Now let's begin the first step. So here you need to enter your details, the title, Mr., Miss or Mrs., your first name, enter as it is it's there in your passport, then your last name. Now enter your email ID, and your mobile number. So whatever fields are in asterisk marked, those are mandatory fields. So you need to enter all of those. Now enter the selected document, that is a passport, and enter its number as well as the validity date or the expiry date. Now enter your date of birth and the city, the state, the PIN code, the nationality, and your first language will be your mother tongue always, and select your option, that is the occupation. If it is any other options from those, select other and enter the occupation. Now select the country where you wanted to go and select your highest level of education and how many years you have been studying in English. And now click on submit. After that you will be redirected to a new page, that is the passport submission page. So here you need to enter your passport details as well. And after that you will be redirected to a next page where you can send your score to 5 different institutes. So you can fill this after taking the IELTS exam as well. It is not mandatory that you need to fill before itself. So I am skipping this step, and if you want to fill it before itself, then you need to select those preferences accordingly. So I am skipping this step. Now I am redirected to the next step, that is I need to verify all the details that I have entered. If I have any corrections, I'll click on edit details and I will modify that particular field. Now I have checked thoroughly and I'll click on proceed to pay. So as of now, today's date, the payment is around 14,700 rupees to book the IELTS test slot for the academic session. These are the payment methods that are available: the MasterCard, Visa card, ICICI Bank, net banking, UPI and everything. You can take a closer look. You can select your preferred method and click on pay now. After that, you will be redirected to that particular payment page, and here you need to select the details and enter your Phone Pay or your Google Pay or anything, your payment details, and click on pay. After that, you will receive an email confirmation. If you like this video, don't forget to give a like, share and comment down below, as well as subscribe my channel. Thank you all. See you in tomorrow's video. Bye bye.